Kuzma comes out, sets the tone immediately for Utah because he's their best player.
Ivan Rabb returns. Sam Singer checks in, the senior from Miami. So does Don Coleman for Cal, a sophomore from Augusta, Georgia.
Cal to get Rabb a post touch.
Guarded by Jace Johnson, the redshirt freshman. The 7-footer is in for Utah. Bird from the corner. Corner three, Jabari Bird. Here's Bird on the stutter step. Picks up the loose ball. Way to stay with it.
Like that.
12th lead change. Jabari Bird. He's fouled and fouls.
Okoro, I'm telling you, has been the MVP of the game.
Cedric Bearfield can't get the roll, and it's Jabari Bird the rebound. 7 boards, 2 blocks off the bench for Okoro, who got the start here in the second.
But he's probably poked away 4 offensive rebounds.
And 2 eyes on the process.
Pardon the pun on the poke of the eyes.
Open three. And
like Olajuwon down there.
I don't know if I'd go that far.
What? All right, Ralph Sampson.
Why don't you just go with Bill Russell while you're at it? Jabari Bird a 3.
Physical play, guys getting after it.
There's a lot on the line for both teams.
Rebounds a premium right now.
Both teams have to win to keep their NCAA hopes alive. A win for Cal could be good enough to get them in. Utah probably needs one more. Jabari Bird, 3. Bird shooting 3, fouled shooting a 3 by Beeler. His dad Carl was a standout at Cal in the mid to late 70s. And the roll on the second.
Correct. That's what it looks like.
That was the 10th team foul. 2 1-point game. Charlie Moore beats the press.
Keep it if you're Bird. You got a foul, Utah.
And it's Bird weaving his way through the defense. He's shooting, and 1 seconds remaining. It's a 2-possession game.
He can guard against Utah making a 3 to win it. Might be Utah. There's no way I'm watching somebody make a miraculous 3 to tie this one. I'm going to get him, put him on the line, and trust.